What's up, you guys, and welcome to another Valentine's Day video. This is going to be a really fun video. This is for all of my people out there who love color. This look is so bomb. It's sultry, but it's bold, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. We used a little glitter, we used some pink, like it has all of the V-Day elements. If you have not seen my other Valentine's Day look, my 3-in-1 hair, makeup, and outfit, I will make sure that video is linked in this one. So FYI, as you can see, this video started off a little shaky, but we got it together. My whole little shadow just popped out of this ColourPop palette. I really do like this ColourPop Lovebird palette, but it did come a little beat up. I can definitely say that, and I hadn't even touched this palette yet, and my whole shadow just popped out. So yeah, that was that. But we kept it moving and kept it going. I was going to use that color too, but I just went ahead and shifted my entire look. And again, this is an entire like pink look, and I'm just really obsessed with how it turned out. So I'd love to see if you guys recreate a look like this. Definitely tag me in your Instagrams so I can see what you look like. So this look for me was all about layering and blending different shades. I mean, it takes a lot of blending to make all of these pinks just kind of melt into each other and make it look like one look but still having layered. So you can still tell that I use different colors, however, they're blended, they're seamless, there's no really harsh lines between the different pinks that I use. So that was really the basis for this look. I just really wanted it to be blended to perfection. So I spent a lot of extra time just blending these shades in. I swear every single time I picked up this palette I was scared to like turn it because I was scared another shadow would pop out. But now it's time for the glitter, and I really feel like the glitter was the star of this look. Again, it just made it super bold and super vibrant, and I don't often do looks like that, so this was just really fun to do. I don't often work with glitter, so this was again just really fun to do and fun to kind of express my creativity. Don't be afraid of color, y'all, and don't be afraid of a little glitter. You never know how you'll like it. I always say I don't really love glitter, but I don't know, I'm really feeling this look here. For the face, I decided to mix two Drugstore foundations. This is the Revlon Photo Ready foundation, and then I also mixed the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation. Of course, as always, I will have all the products linked below in the description box in case you guys are interested. But these are two really amazing foundations. My skin just looked super flawless, and I've been really into mixing products lately, whether they be eyeshadows, whether they be blushes, bronzers, and of course foundations. I've been super into just mixing products and seeing how they work on my skin, and this has been one of my favorite combos that I've found. So if you do have these two foundations sitting in your drawer, go ahead and see how you would like them mixed. I think you'd find that you really enjoy the finish of the two. I did want to just mention that I know my face looks a little light, but I promise you guys this was the right color for me. When I mixed the foundation, it is just the lighting. The color is like spot on for both of those foundations, so I just wanted to mention that this is the correct color. So I went ahead and used these Eylure lashes. I did put on my lashes off camera, but now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright face palette and just use the blush in it and add that to my face for a little pop of color. I love the blush in this palette. I actually really like the bronzer too, but I more so used the palette for the blush. It is just such a pretty, like, deeper pink. I really love it for this time of year. So I was using this highlighter and totally forgot how amazing this highlighter is. I used to use this highlighter all the time, and for some reason I put it in my drawer and stopped using it. It's so beautiful. Now let's talk about these lips. Your girl lined her lips with a NYX lip liner, and then I totally forgot this was a drugstore look, and I went ahead and used this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I'll have the name of it linked below, but there are plenty of liquid lipsticks out there that will give you this same effect. I will also link some of my favorite like pinky liquid lipsticks below from the drugstore, or just regular lipsticks, so you guys can use, because your girl completely forgot she was using all drugstore. So sorry about that, but I'll make sure to have some alternatives linked below. Now here's my favorite part of the video. We're actually going to give our body some glow. I normally don't do this, but when I'm wearing like dresses or I have my shoulders out and my décolleté out, I think it's really, really cute when your chest is just glowy. So I used this Wet n Wild's glow oil. You do not have to like go out and get the really expensive Fenty one, or I think Patrick Ta has one. There's so many high-end brands out there, Huda Beauty, that have these expensive glow oils. Wet n Wild's has a really, really good one. Then I just took that same Morphe highlighter and I just used it on my collarbone, and you can see how it really makes the area pop, especially when you have on like a really pretty dress or something like that. It just really makes that area pop and look amazing. So I wanted to add that in this video so you guys can see it. Other than that, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know what looks you want to see down below. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.